A look at your morning checklist this morning, and an extra layer of clothing or two might be a good idea. There's a few spots where we're waking up in the 50s this morning. Sunglasses, you'll definitely need those today. However, the chance for rain is only about 5 to 10%, and it's really only for a few coastal showers today, so you might not need your umbrella as much as you might need it later this week. Here's a quick look at what's going on with temperatures right now. 58 degrees in Vero Beach, but look at this, 55 in Okeechobee and in Indiantown, 57 Belle Glade, 60 Port St. Lucie, 63 Jupiter, 64 West Palm, 67 right now in Boca, and that is much closer to average for this time of year than any of our other temperatures that you're seeing here on the map. It's about a 7-degree difference from yesterday morning in West Palm Beach. It's 7 degrees cooler this morning than it was yesterday at this time, just 24 hours ago. It's actually a degree or so cooler in Vero Beach than it was yesterday morning at this time. We've got fog on the fog tracker, mainly Indian River County, a little bit northern St. Lucie County here, but between Sebastian and Vero Beach, we have some fog that has developed. It looks pretty good around the lake right now, but I do expect we're going to see more fog developing through the morning hours. Our winds today will be northeasterly and eventually become a little more east northeasterly as we move through the day, but high pressure is the law of the land. It's ruling our forecast right now. It's going to be over top of us for the next couple of days, and that's going to keep us relatively rain-free through about Thursday, and then Friday things will change a bit. There's that low that was an invest that the Hurricane Center was looking at, now moving off to the northeast. Not much going on with that, just moving away from the U.S., but interesting to see that out there this time of year. Here's a look at our daytime high temperatures, and you'll notice a little bit of a climb from today to tomorrow and into Thursday. We'll go from the low 80s today and mid 80s inland to low to mid 80s tomorrow. But then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, our temperatures take a big jump as winds become more southerly and southwesterly. That really helps to fuel our temperatures. So we'll end up in the mid to upper 80s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Boating forecast for today. Nice boating, northeasterly winds 5 to 10 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet, inland waters with a light chop and high tide coming up just before 9 o'clock this morning. Today, highs low to mid 80s. These are low 80s along the coast, mid 80s inland, humid, warm, mostly sunny skies, and a chance for just a couple of coastal showers. Tonight, temperatures in the 50s and 60s, 50s inland and along the Treasure Coast to 60s along the Palm Beach County coast, and we could see some patchy fog overnight tonight. Tomorrow, high temperatures, a little bit warmer, lots of sunshine, but also lots of humidity. So it's going to feel several degrees warmer than the actual temperatures tomorrow. Let's move through Thursday here, where temperatures continue to stay low to mid 80s and a 10% chance for rain. Look what happens on Friday. On Friday, there is a weak front that will start to work its way down the Florida Peninsula, and we're going to see more moisture start to gather in our area, especially late in the day on Friday. So you'll notice increasing clouds, very warm and humid conditions, and scattered showers and some thunderstorms are possible by late in the day Friday, and that may continue overnight into Saturday morning. So on Saturday, we actually have in the forecast a chance for some at least morning rainfall with showers and a few thunderstorms, and it's about a 30% chance for rain and a hot and humid day with temperatures feeling like it's in the 90s, even though the highs will actually be in the upper 80s, it looks like. And then as we get to Sunday, mid to upper 80s again, lower chances for rain, and there will be a breeze on Sunday, but it will still be hot. Now, if you're looking for a cold front in here, we don't really have any in the forecast for this week. We have the one that kind of moves down Friday and then dies out. So you see there's no big temperature changes here. However, some of the long range computer models have a slight cool down as we get to April 6th and 7th. So we're looking ahead to that. I'm going to do a Facebook Live later on this morning with the forecast, and we'll talk a little more about that.